Hey everyone, welcome back. This class is very important for everyone who wants to speak English fluently because today we are going to learn how to make English sentences. So first of all, we have to find that how we can make sentence. What require to make a sentence? Words, right? Because with the help of words, we make sentences. So we need words to make a sentence. And how to make words? What we require to make words? Letters, right? We need letters to make words. And what are the letters? Letters are A, B, C, D, and so on. A to Z are letters of English alphabet. Whenever we arrange some letters to make a meaning or to convey a message, that is called a word. For example, let's take some letters E, N, G, L, I, S, H. So, with the help of these letters, we have a word English. Here is the word English is from the above letters, right? So in English alphabet we have 26 letter and these letters has also two part. First part is vowels and second one is consonant. We have five vowels. These are A, E, I, O, U and rest of the consonant. There are 21 letters of consonant. So I hope now it's clear to everyone that what is letter and how many letters in English alphabets, and with the help of letters how we can make words. Now let's move ahead. With the help of words, how we can make sentences, okay? So let's take some word like can, speak, dog, book, I, English, stand, go, come, etc. Okay. Now we are going to try make some sentences from the above words. Like I'm gonna taking I can speak English. So, here we have a sentence and it's a meaningful sentence. I can speak English. So, whenever a sentence convey message and a meaningful thought, so it will be a sentence. Because sentence is all about that how we can express ourselves, okay? How we can convey a message to the other person. Okay, let's take some another example. We had I go. So these are also a group of words, but this is not a sentence because this is not convey any message or any thought. Okay, whenever a group of words express a meaningful thought, it will be a sentence. But the above example is not convey any message. Okay, it it is a group of word. Still, it is a group of word, but this is not convey any meaningful message. So this will not fall in category of sentence. Okay, let's try to make some other sentences to better clarification. I am eating apple. Let's go to the park. I wanna buy a new dress. He is my brother. I love coffee. So in the above examples, we can see these all sentences convey a message and a meaningful thought. Okay, it gives information. So these all are fall into category of sentence. I hope it is clear to everyone that how we can make words from the letters and how we can make sentences from the words. Okay, now it's your turn. I'm giving you some words and you have to rearrange the words and try to make a sentence. Okay? Like I, dog, am, come, stand. English, very much. So you have to make a meaningful sentence from the above words, okay? And you have to drop that sentence in the comment below. It's all about the today's video. I hope this video will useful for everyone that who wants to speak and learn English. Until then, you have to practice that how we can make different sentences for using different words. Okay, in next video I will explain different types of sentences, like how many types of sentence are. Until then, you have to practice and be patient because everything takes time. Okay, nothing happens overnight. You have to practice every day and gradually you see the difference. If you really found this video useful, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified. Thank you so much. Keep learning and keep practicing.